Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy XGeN4T here today, bringing you a quick tutorial on how to get your render settings to 59.94 so that way you won't get rejected by editors. So we're just going to jump right into this and we're going to scroll over to settings. Yeah, we're just going to really quickly do that. I got distracted there, but scroll over to settings and you want to go to system, and then we're going to click system like right about now, and then you want to click console settings. Want to click console settings. Gosh, sorry, I was being stupid. But so you go to display, and then you want to click HDTV settings. Now, mine was on 1080i, but you want to change it to 720p because that just gives you the 59.94. And so all that fun stuff, that's done, and you're pretty much set on the Xbox. So now we're gonna hop on over to the computer. So I'll be with you guys over there. See ya. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Alright guys, now we're here at our computer. Now you may be thinking, what exactly are we going to do on the computer that's so important? Well, we're first going to open up Total Media Extreme 2, and we're going to go to record video. So what this is going to do is we're going to change our device. Well, actually we're not even going to mess with device settings, right? I just leave these on default and it comes out really good. And you always want to make sure you're recording in M2TS, and we're going to open up format settings. Now, the only thing I really changed in format settings was my bitrate, because I just changed it to 13.5 because that's the best. So you want to click apply and you want to click OK. And then you want to exit out of this, and we're going to go into Sony Vegas now, which is one of the easiest ways to render out your clips in 59.94. Also, for people wondering, if you want to check if your clips are 59.94, click Properties and Details. There'll be a section right here that says frame rate, and it says 59 frames per second, which is technically 59.94. It may say 59, it may say 60, but whatever you choose, it's pretty good. It's by itself. Anything above 40 is pretty good. Anyways, so now we're going to open up Sony Vegas, and we're going to go in here, and we're going to start our render settings out. So, I already have my preset all fixed up, but whenever you click here on project properties, whenever you click up here, project video properties, it's going to say 1920 by 1080, 29.97. Now, these settings are horrible. Oh, and it's also going to say good here. We don't want good, we want the best. So, we're going to change this to 1280, excuse me, I can't type today, 720, and then we're going to change this to 59.94. And now we're going to change this to best, because that gives us the best quality out of all in the preview box anyways. And so we're going to click start all new projects with these settings and click apply. Now we're going to click OK, and we're going to minimize Sony Vegas real quick, get our clip, and we're going to drag it in here. Now the very first thing you want to do, you want to right click and click properties, and you want to go to disable resample and maintain aspect ratio and uncheck that. Now what this does is it gets rid of that ghosting effect, and it also gets rid of the it starts to get rid of the black lines at the top. As you can see in my clip, there's a little bit of black lines. So we're going to go into event pan crop, which is this little box right here. It says event pan / crop ... You want to click on it, and you want to click on the little zoom in tool here. And as you can see, it's black. There's black lines. We don't like black lines. Can I move it? Oh no, it's all locked and stuff. So we're going to have to uncheck those. And you want to get it just below. And then we're going to move over here. And we're going to click here. Over here at the middle. And then we're going to click this again. Our little mouse tool. Move tool right there. Normal edit tool, whatever. And then there you go. Now I already have presets, so I don't know if those are exactly perfect, but there you go. They look pretty good to me, and as you can see, I got rid of the black bars. Now what we want to do is we want to find the point where you want to start the clip. Now I would say that all this is boring and I miss a shot, so I'll probably start it before the first shot anyways, because I mean I start to almost die there, and we don't want that. So we're gonna go ahead here and we're gonna see, oh hey, look, I got a quad on screen. It looks like, is that me? I can't tell. Yes, that's me. I got a quad on screen, right? So a lot of people, whenever they render out clips, is they cut it off about right here. Now what is the problem with that? Well, I can't do a lot with that whenever I edit. So what I like to do is, if you're recording clips for me, wait till the main feed is off the screen, right? So my main quad feed went off screen about right here, and so I mean I would split it here and exit out, or delete that piece, sorry. And then what we would want to do is we want to select the clip and click File, Render As. Now I have a preset called Commentaries, but you know, it's not the best. So we're gonna actually go to Desktop. Yeah, right there. Okay. And we're gonna click Commentaries, or well, actually here I'm gonna do one with you. So we're gonna click 8 megabyte P 8 whatever that stands for, 8 Mbps HD 1080 30p video. Customize template. CBR, keep all the audio the same. This you're gonna want to change to 1280 by 720 high definition. Change that to 1, and then change this to 59.94. Now this gives you 59.94 frames per second and possibly the best quality in the whole entire video. So, or in the whole entire like Sony Vegas rendering out history. And then so you want to go to project and you want to click best. Alright, and we click OK. And we can, hang on, wait, customize. And we can click save. We can type in a name like Jolly Good Mate. Here we go. There we go, mate. Click save. Click OK. It's Jolly Good Mate. And then you click render. Now, it's going to render out in 59.94 frames per second. And we're going to wait till it's done. Or I'm going to fast forward. I'm going to pause it till it's done. And I shall be back in possibly a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. So here you can see you got 100% done. So we're just going to click close this, and we're going to minimize this real quick. And here is our clip. We're going to watch that real quick. It's a beautiful little clip. Just beautiful miss. Oh, yep. Oh, here we go with the quad feed. Here we go with the quad feed. Here we go with the quad feed. Where? Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so we're going to actually add that now, right? That same clip and everything. So we're going to click properties. We're going to click details. And there you go. 59.94 frames per second. You're welcome. Now use this tutorial well and do not die. I'm 4T, and goodbye my 40-year-old virgin.